Okay. So hello everyone.
Hello.
How are you all?
Fine.
That's great. So firstly, I would like to give my small intro. So hello all my standing Bavelas, tremendous amazing, as well as those who are having type of personality. And I would like to say thanks to my both of sir, Suraj sir and Sanjeev sir, to having me this golden opportunity to speak here in front of you all. So as we know, today is a very interesting class that we will tell about three things, but we will right now I will not tell what is that thing. Okay, after the end of my story, I am gonna tell a one story, in my past what had happened with my father and with me. I am gonna tell with you all. Okay, and it's a true, it's not a wrong that you will think that I'm gonna make with by myself. No, it's a true story. Okay, so listen carefully and understand like what am I able to like say to you. Okay, what I wanted to say to you. Okay, that's all. Okay, so I want to start this story with with my father, with my family members, what happened with me, with my family members. So when in before 2 and 3 years ago, like when my father used to do job in Saudi Arab, and we were my sister, my brother, and all they used to going in private school. They used to studying good way, and my father used to sending money to my mother to for spending on us. So like this our life is going good and good, but before when lockdown come. So when lockdown comes, so after that my mother get ill, and my mother said to my father that I am so ill and now I am not able to manage the household work, so I think you should come at home because I'm not well. At that time my mother get so ill.
I was not bad.
Yeah. So at that time my mother saying to my father, just come because I'm not well. So my father my father get resigned from that company, and my father came in village. And after that my father is 10th pass. Okay, but my father is 10th pass, and he start to thinking I'm in Saudi Arab, and when my family, any family, my wife and my child get ill, so I'm not able to come. So my father मतलब उनको छुट्टी 4 साल 3 साल ऐसे बाद मिलती थी उनको. So it was so bad for my father, we get ill, and when my mother get ill, so see, he is not able to come fast and come in 1 month and 2 months. Okay, so my father think I will do business in village.
My father thought fast.
Yeah, my father thought I will do business in village because it will be very easy because I will do business as well, and as well I will take care of my family. Okay, so he think like that, and he do business, but he don't know how to do business, and he lost that. Okay, when which money he earned from Saudi Arab, he had saved that money, and that money he spent in business, and he lost that. Okay, and after that my father think I have some money as well, so I think I should do next business. And first my father do my father did clothes business, he start to selling the clothes. So he start open we can say that clothes shop he opened. Okay, and he opened, and after that because he don't know how to run a business, he don't know, he's 10 pass, but he don't know how to run business like that, and he lost in that also. And he did another business, he lost and in that also, and he go to do to do job, another job in any company, and there also he go 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, and after 3 days he said that I will not be able to do this job. And after that like this my father spent whole money in this all things. And after that my father has my father had not any single penny, and he start to like tense a lot. He start to thinking like how I will take care of my family. I don't have money. He start to thinking a lot, and he start to but he never like so in front of my mother, in front of their child, in front of not us also. He always say like life is like he always so to us in our life problems always coming, but we don't have to like हमें ऐसे शो करता है कि वो बहुत मोटिवेटेड है. He was showing to us like he's much motivated, and he's thinking nothing will happen. I will earn money, and I will do I will do job in this company, that company. Like he start to saying to my mother, when my mother is also thinking how the house will run if we don't have money. So he start to thinking. My mother also start to thinking. So he making my mother understand, but in his mind, he start to thinking a lot. He start taking lots of tension, and after that my father we can say that my father is doing after 2 and 3 months my father start to doing like that, he's gonna mad like that. Like he start to crying a lot. Sometimes he start to crying a lot. Sometimes he start to laughing. Sometimes he start to shouting. And we were also not able to understand what is happening with my father.
Yes.
And we are we are also in this day was when I remember now. So I start to thinking like this day never come in anyone's life, because my father, how he was doing now in front of us, we he start to slap himself, खुद को मतलब मारते थे खुद को, कभी start to laughing a lot, start to crying, and we were thinking what is happening with my father. So my mother at that time my mother asked for the help for the family members. Okay, so my family members at that time, one family members, my mother said he is in problem. I don't have money to check up my husband, so please give me money. He start to help. He start to asking from family members for the help. But at that time, no one helped to my family member, to my father, to no one. You know what they someone our I can't tell the name of that person, but कहते हैं ना अपने इंसान जो खुद के मतलब मेरे खुद के अपने जिनको हम समझते थे, we used to thinking, I used to thinking if some problem will come, there is my uncle, there is my auntie, there is my मेरे अपने हैं. I used to thinking, but no one is with you if you are in problem. At that time my mother, my father, me also saw the real face of my family members, what they think, they start to they start to they start to making excuse. I had money, but I spend in that. My child is also studying for the like that. They start to making excuse, and like that my mother उन्होंने लोन लिया, he take a loan, कर्जे वगैरह लिए उन्होंने like that, and he spent on my father. He came to Delhi and go to Ajmer Sharif as well. कि मतलब ऐसा क्या हो रहा है, क्योंकि उनको दवा से मेडिसिन भी कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा था. तो at that time my mother start to thinking what is happening, कि मेडिसिन खा रहे तब भी कुछ नहीं हो रहा. तो उन्होंने सोचा कि मतलब मजार पे दिखाए हम like this. So he go to the Ajmer Sharif, and after that gradually my father he went to Ajmer Sharif, and after that gradually my father start to recovering, and like that. And at that time at that time we understand that we understood what is the value of money, what is the value of education, and what is the value of our important person in our life. I also how, because I also used to thinking when I used to go in private school, I used to thinking always, I used to say to my father, what did you do for me? I always used to say to my father, and I said, father, what you said, you didn't do anything for me. I only this, I please give me money like this. I used to scolding to my father at that time. But when my father was in bad situation, at that time I saw everyone's real face, literally. And after that, my father was 10th pass, but he was not able to do any business, any like education is important, but we have to know that what type of education we need. एक education होता है what like education that we learn in school, and the education the life education. The life education my father never like learn, but after this वो ये चीज सीख चुके हैं. Like we also in my small age, I also know that what is life education, and we have to know what is life education. It's very important for everyone's life. And after in that situation, I know what is the value of money. When we had money, so everyone asked my father, how are you, like did you eat food or not, like how your child, how your wife. And in that situation, when my father don't have money, so everyone said, like they start to ignoring. At the time we know the value of money, and after that I know the value of my father. कि अगर आपकी लाइफ में सब कुछ है, लेकिन अगर आपकी लाइफ में फादर नहीं है ना, अगर हम उसको क्या, हमारे पास पापा होते हैं तो हम क्या सोचते हैं कि लाइक हमारे लिए कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं, व्हाट यू आर डूइंग फॉर मी, वी से टू आवर फादर. बट अगर वो नहीं है ना हमारी लाइफ में, तो कोई हमारी इज्जत नहीं करेगा. नो वन गिव अस रिस्पेक्ट, even our family members, no one. So I think it's very important to know importance of our father, importance of money, importance of education, and life education. What is life education? So that's it.
एक चीज मैं आप लोगों को बता देता हूँ.
Really amazing.